Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the Honor Play. We are here in Berlin on August 30th, 2018, and we attended the announcement of the brand new Honor Play. This is a very budget-friendly phone with a lot of horsepower under the hood, designed for gamers. This is TK, and this is Pocketnow and XDA. The show was held here at Berlin a day ahead of IFA. The main star of the show, of course, was the Honor Play. Although they did cover the Honor Magic 2 as well in the event, with giving us a little bit of a teaser. There's two variants of them. There's the Player Edition and the Standard colors. All of them are basically running the same hardware. The exception is that the Player Edition has some aesthetics, basically differences on the outside, which make them look a little bit unique. So overall, if you want it to look really cool, you could definitely go with one of these guys for 349 euros, or you can go with the Standard Edition ones for 329 euros. Of course, all of this is going to be coming using the same specification. We're talking about the Kirin 970. We're talking 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, all of course expandable via Microsd. The other benefit, of course, we're talking about the GPU turbo that's built in, no update required. We also have the 4D shock mechanism that's built into this so that you can actually feel when you're playing the game. Currently only optimized for PUBG, but for the most part, it definitely elevates the experience while basically gaming on a mobile phone. All of this is supported by a 3750 milliamp battery that's going to help you not only play for a long time, but also recharges very quickly using the Huawei USB charging. All in all, this was definitely a very exciting launch event. I want to say thank you to Honor for allowing us to check out the event, and of course getting some hands-on time with the Honor Play. Keep it here with us for all coverage that we have here from IFA. This is TK. I want to say thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.